up YouTube, welcome to another video from my channel. I'm Ankit Banerjee and you're watching It's Your Biker Ankit. Now today I'm again at Benelli, Howrah, and I'm here to give you a complete walk around of the Leoncino 500. So let's get into the showroom and show you the motorcycle. So what you see in front of me is the Benelli Leoncino 500. Now Benelli has named it Leoncino because in Italian Leoncino means lion cub, and this is the cub of the lion logo that you see in the Benelli badge. So in that sense Benelli named this motorcycle. Now coming to the keys of this motorcycle, so you have these keys. Now these are flip keys, so it kind of flips like this. You've already seen this in my Imperiale video. Now let me plug the key in. So you have the ignition plug here. Now starting with the front design, here you have the LED headlamp with the LED DRL, and you have a small projector setup here. You have the LED indicators with 3 LEDs integrated. Now coming to the front end, has this big muscular 50 mm front forks. Now these are really large front forks, and you have sort of a brush aluminium treatment here, but you cannot actually see it in the video. Now this reflector planted here, and this you have the 320 mm disc. Now this is a dual disc setup from Benelli. You have another disc in this side, and this is going to be a very strong setup, and you have dual channel ABS on this motorcycle. Now coming to the tire size, the tire size is 120/70 R17. There is a very unique touch to the mudguard of this motorcycle, and that's a small lion logo that you can see here. Now the color is very nice. It's Leoncino red, and it is a real good color. Now coming to the side of this motorcycle, as you can see the side of this motorcycle, you have this big bold Benelli badge. It's engraved in metal, and you have this large tank here. So this is a metal tank, and you have this plastic casing over it. You have this key release for the fuel cap. Now coming to the side panel, you have this red side panel continuing to the end, and then it cuts off Leoncino badge, and then it converts into black shade. Now speaking of this panel, this is plastic, but it looks really nice. Now you have this exposed tube frame of this motorcycle. Now coming to the engine of this motorcycle, so this is a 500cc parallel twin on this motorcycle, which is producing about 47.5 bhp of power and 49 newton meters of torque. So you have a very meaty torque going on. Now coming to the rear end, you have this extended swing arm, which makes it quite long if you consider. Now the body is shorter, the wheel is longer, and you have this tube frame swing arm that you get here. Now it looks very much unique, and the finishing is top notch on this motorcycle. This is a recently launched motorcycle from Benelli, and the finishing is just class apart. Now coming to the rear end of this motorcycle, so you have this beautiful LED tail lamp, which is gorgeous, and it's designed in such a way, looks like there are jewels into this tail lamp. You have this scrambler like rear fender. It is sort of extending and looks very unique, and the finishing is, again for this part also, is very nice. Now coming to the rear tire hugger, so it has the provision for the number plate, and yes, that's the rear fender. Now you have the 260 mm rear disc, and you have a wide tire here. Now this is 160 by 60 17 incher, and you have this Leoncino branded exhaust which has dual pipes coming out of it. Now this is a very chunky side mounted rear monoshock. Now it's hidden inside the panel, so that's the thing. You have this adjustability for this rear monoshock. Now the exhaust is finished again in brushed aluminium and it looks very nice. It actually complements the design of this motorcycle really well. Now coming to the exhaust pipes that you see here, so it's 2:1 and it gets into this huge catalytic converter. I don't know whether you can see it or not. So yeah, and then it comes out of the muffler. Now coming to the cooling system on this motorcycle, so it's a liquid cooled motorcycle of course, and it has this radiator for that. You have this full fuel filler cap. The seat is in the middle ground. It's not very soft, not too hard, and it's very much accommodating for the rider. You have this sort of entire thing cut off for the rider, and you have this really wide seat for the pillion, and you have the grab handles here which are very sturdy, and you can actually move this motorcycle with holding this grab handle only. Now you have this flat fuel tank. When you get to the dash of this motorcycle, you will observe the flat fuel tank, and you have this long handlebar going on here. You have this Benelli Piega Bassa custom bent handlebar. Now speaking about the switch gear of this motorcycle, the switch gear is really nice. It's very much clicky. Now this is the kill switch. This is the switch for the hazard lights. It will switch on the hazard lights, and I will show you. And this is the ignition switch under this. Now coming to the other side, you have the upper dipper switch, and you have the pass light here. Then you have the indicators and the horn. Now let's hear the horn once. So the horn is really nice. It's very much loud, and you have Benelli grips here, and you also have this adjustable levers that you see. So it's about 4-step adjustable that you can see here. So you also have this cute looking round rear view mirrors. Now coming to the speedometer of this motorcycle. Now the speedometer offers a host of information. You have all the telltale lights going on here. You have the tachometer, digital tachometer. You have the speedometer. You have the trip meter. You can also have it in miles and kilometers. So yeah, that's it. You have the time, the temperature gauge. You have the ambient temperature here, and you have this fuel meter, and you also have a gear position indicator. Let me put it on a gear and show you. Yeah, so yeah, it's in a gear. It's showing 1. Let me show you the indicators of this motorcycle. So yeah, they look very nice. Another thing that I noticed is the number plate mount that you see here is quite unique. You don't tend to get a proper number plate mount in this kind of motorcycles, but Benelli has accommodated it in a very nice way. And from the rear, it looks like this. So yeah, it's really beautiful. Now you have another color for this. This is the Leoncino red. It's in gloss color, and you also have the matte color here. So let me make you hear the exhaust note of this motorcycle. So let me give it a start. Oh man, damn, it sounds crazy. Another thing is this fly screen. This fly screen actually completes the front look of this motorcycle. So yeah, that was all about the design of this Benelli Leoncino 500. About the price of this motorcycle. So here you have the Leoncino rate of this Leoncino 500. So the red color costs you about 4 lakhs 69,900 rupees ex showroom, and you also have this matte silver color, this one. So yeah, this matte silver color costs you about 10,000 rupees cheaper than that, so it's 4,59,900. So that was all about the Leoncino. Hope you liked the video. So hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. So this is Ankit Banerjee signing off.